Hestan and Wolf both make powerful professional style ranges with an emphasis on user friendliness and burner functionality. In this video, you'll learn about each brand, their cooktop and burners, ovens, controls, and customization. At the end of the video, you'll have a better idea of which brand might be better for your cooking style, plus you'll learn how to download our free pro cooking buying guide. Let's get started. Both cooktops have powerful sealed double-stacked burners. The surface of the Hestan is brushed steel, which looks great, but may be more difficult to clean. Wolf has a ceramic enameled cooktop, which may not look as nice, but is super easy to clean because it's completely non-porous. Hestan CircuFlame Power Burner, in the case of this 36-inch range, is right in the middle. It's 30,000 BTU, making it one of the most powerful burners on the consumer market today. This allows you to boil quicker and sear easier. The lowest burner goes all the way down to 500 BTU. That's low enough to clarify butter and melt chocolate. Not just that, but you can hold a dish easier without scorching or burning. Wolf's double-stacked power burner puts out up to 20,000 BTUs. Its lowest output burner goes up to 9,200 BTU, but it's still dual-stacked, allowing you to bring it quite low. With Wolf, you can add on an infrared grill or griddle, even a French top with a 60-inch range. Hestan's convection system is unique. It uses a fan, just like most brands, but it also cycles through different heat sources throughout the oven to produce a more even heat. Wolf's dual fuel ranges have verticross, two blowers that circulate a vertical column of air for more even heat than a traditional fan system. The Hestan ranges have chunky, brightly backlit control knobs that make it easy to tell which burners are on. There's also a small black and white touchscreen on the oven door handle. This display integrates well into the design and will keep from overheating like some displays on the control panel itself. Wolf has the signature red knobs with the option of black and silver as well. They recently added a robust touchscreen system with Wolf Gourmet guided cooking. The Hestan is available in 12 different colors. Wolf comes in stainless only, but you can get different colored control knobs. A Hestan range is great if you're looking for power cooking like searing or wok cooking. You get a great range of temperatures because of the CircuFlame burner. If you do a lot of lower simmer cooking, you have the lower BTU burners there as well. If you need more burners, you can get up to 6 on a 36-inch Wolf versus 5 on the Hestan. But you don't get the extra large burner for pots that might not fit on traditional size burners. The Wolf Dual Fuel gives you a built-in guided cooking system, whereas the Hestan just has a small touchscreen. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Hestan and Wolf ranges and even more professional cooking appliances, click the link in the description below to download our free pro cooking buying guide.